everybody! So this is the second day. Food that we ordered from my cousin Larissa, we had leftover. We had two pieces, big pieces of chicken that is leftover. For a big family like us, we make it into a different, I make it into a different dish so that it is, you know, something that they can be excited to eat. So now, we had some bacon also yesterday in the morning. Put the lard of the bacon. I'm gonna make chicken fried rice. So I have eggs here, and I put a little bit of milk so that it can be more fluffier. So we're just gonna cook the scrambled egg first and then set it aside. As you see, we are in a budget, you know. I always make sure that I make something that is exciting for them to eat, looking forward for them to eat. We're not just vlogging our eating outside and all that. I want to share also how we are trying to save some money by making a leftover dish into something different, something new. And this is something very, very easy that anybody could make. I have leftover chicken from Larissa's barbecue chicken inasal. I have leftover rice also that I'm gonna make into fried rice. Remember, fried rice is always good if it's a little bit cold. Don't use the freshly cooked rice because it's gonna be hard to mix. So always use a kind of like a cold already rice. So this is perfect. I have a leftover rice, and then I'm gonna show you my little garden. I'm gonna get some green onions to top it off, and yeah, it's gonna be a great dinner for us again. Okay, so our scrambled egg is ready. We're just gonna put it on the side, and then we're gonna put some more oil. Okay, so this is the flake inasal chicken of my cousin, and then while it's almost, yes, it's a little bit fried, we're just gonna put a little bit of oyster sauce just to put a little bit more flavor. Okay, so we're gonna squeeze it in. Okay, so we're gonna put it on the side also. Okay, so now with the last portion of the bacon oil, we're gonna saute garlic. With the garlic, you want it a little bit toasted, so that flavor of toasted garlic in your rice. So you want to toast the garlic. And then we'll set it aside again. So after toasting the garlic, we put it on the side. We left a little bit in. And then now we're sauteing the onion. And then we'll get ready. So now it's a little bit translucent, so now we can put the rice. So as I said, this was the leftover rice from yesterday. It's cold, coming from the refrigerator. So this is, just put it all together. Okay, so while cooking the rice, we're gonna put some vegetable, and that's why I love making the fried rice. Not only that it saves us money, and I can, you know, make an old dish into something new, but they are able to eat vegetables So I always have frozen vegetable in case I think about cooking this kind of stuff, you know. Include vegetables in your dishes for your children. It's a must. Here's my little garden in front of our apartment. And so I have here our malunggay. So that, you know, it's expensive to buy it in the store. So I said, why not? Why not plant malunggay in a big pot? And then I have some tomatoes, zucchini. I have some zucchini, tomatoes. I have oregano, and then I have some mint, some peppers. I also have my own ampalaya and patola, which is, look at this, it's growing already. I got some patola. I have some talong, eggplant. I also have some basil because my family loves pasta, so I got some basil also, and some yam leaves. That's it. Now what I need for my dish is this green onion, so I'm going to cut some to garnish. And you know what? They keep on growing. I'm so happy, very, very happy. I really don't buy any green onions anymore because it's enough. It grows fast, and look at that. Look at all this. This is good enough for my fried rice right now. Okay, so let's go. Gonna have some pepper. It's good enough. Gonna have some chicken seasoning. I am a traditional cook. I don't usually measure. I just taste. If it tastes good, if it tastes right, then perfect. If it doesn't, then add more seasoning. That's kind of how I work my kitchen. I mean, I don't have anything against those who measure their stuff. I think those are perfect as well. I just don't have sometimes the time for it. Of course, our oyster sauce. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished product. So a cup of rice topped with chicken, and then the green onions again, and then to some of my children and myself, we love sriracha mayo on top of it also. The others, like Tatay and Mika, they just love it plain. So I'm gonna show you the plain one. Here we go. So this is how it looks like, the plain one. So yep, you know, I always love to make a good presentation. It's not just for show for you guys, but I always love to make a good presentation for my family because it makes me feel good that I am making them happy with their food. So this is something, maybe as a mother, it is one of the pride for mothers to be able to feed their family with good quality food from, you know, from their own making. So that's why I'm sharing this to you. So already, thank you all for watching from LA. Everybody's busy, but you know, from my home to your home. God bless you all. Bye.